Raw sugar prices ease but stay on track for weekly gains. What it means for global and local markets. Global sugar markets are witnessing an intriguing trend this week as raw sugar prices dip slightly but remain poised to register an overall weekly gain. This development highlights the delicate balance between production, demand, and government policies across key sugar-producing nations. On the Intercontinental Exchange ICE, raw sugar futures fell by around 0.6%, suggesting a temporary pullback after several sessions of upward momentum. However, analysts maintain that prices are still heading toward a positive weekly performance, reflecting tight supply expectations and strategic decisions by major producers. One of the main factors influencing the market is Brazil, the world's largest sugar producer and exporter. Mills in Brazil are carefully adjusting the proportion of cane used for sugar production versus ethanol production. If sugar prices soften further, mills may choose to divert more cane toward ethanol, which could tighten sugar supply and support prices in the coming weeks. In Indonesia, the government has suspended the issuance of raw sugar import permits until the end of the fiscal year. This move aims to protect domestic farmers from cheaper imported sugar, but it could potentially create a short-term supply gap that sustains international prices. Meanwhile, India, the second-largest sugar producer, has confirmed it has sufficient domestic stockpiles and is expected to resume sugar exports starting in October. This news offers some relief to the global market by adding supply, which could help stabilize prices in the medium term. For countries like Pakistan, where sugar prices are a politically sensitive issue, global price trends matter significantly. If international prices continue to rise, local sugar costs could face upward pressure, impacting consumers and industries alike. However, the resumption of Indian exports might provide some price relief, depending on regional trade dynamics. Overall, the sugar market is currently at a crossroads, with production decisions, trade policies, and demand patterns all playing a critical role. While this week's slight price decline offers temporary relief, the underlying fundamentals suggest that the market may remain firm in the near term.